this
So you can swap it out.
Absolutely interchangeable.
Very cool.
Yep.
Very cool. Now, 2 mag tubes.
Just with a pistol grip if you really want to.
It's very reliable and is incredibly ergonomic. I can highly recommend this shotgun. I've fallen in love with the 930.
And we do have an 18.5-inch barrel.
Kel-Tec KSG, $800. Need a shotgun for self-defense but want something different? The Kel-Tec KSG is a shotgun with a pump action and several unique design elements. The small overall length of 26.1 inches is a result of the bullpup design, which moves the action behind the trigger. This makes the KSG very mobile and useful in self-defense situations. The KSG's 2 mag tubes, which hold a total of 14 +1 rounds, are an impressive addition. This gives you the freedom to employ different types of ammo in each tube by simply switching them out manually. This adaptability can be useful in a wide range of tactical contexts. It's worth mentioning that Kel-Tec is known for making cheaper weapons, which has raised concerns about their overall quality. However, Kel-Tec has clearly made an extra effort to develop and manufacture the KSG shotgun to a better quality. The KSG has a few quirks compared to other well-known brands, but it is dependable and has several functions that other products don't have. The Kel-Tec KSG may be the best option for you if you want a shotgun that is both distinctive and dependable. It's an attractive choice for home defense because of its bullpup form, 2 mag tubes, and portability. Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical models, $650. Pump-action shotguns like the Mossberg 500 and 590 Tactical have been more popular among law enforcement and the U.S. military. These shotguns are popular for a number of reasons, including home defense, due to their low cost, high dependability, and long lifespan. Tactical shotguns from Mossberg are built to last and function reliably under stress. They are constructed to last, guaranteeing that they will continue working well even under extreme conditions. When looking for a solid shotgun, the Mossberg 500 and 590 Tactical series are a good alternative. The Mossberg 500 and 590 Tactical variants diverge in a few key respects. The 590 and 590A1 have thicker barrels, making them more suitable for industrial use. They'll hold up better to wear and tear thanks to a sturdy build that prevents them from bending or denting. The 590 versions also have a 1-round capacity increase over the 500 models, so shooters can go longer between reloads. The 500 and 590 variants of Mossberg's tactical shotguns are notable for the location of their safety. When using a conventional stock, the safety's location atop the receiver provides a benefit. However, the safety might be difficult to manipulate when using a pistol grip. For those who like a pistol grip, this is a crucial factor to keep in mind. The Mossberg 590A1 12-gauge variant with an 18.5-inch barrel is our top pick from the Mossberg 500 and 590 series. The Mossberg 590A1 has been tried and true in warfare and has passed with flying colors. This makes it a fantastic choice for home security systems, where dependability is of the utmost importance. Its longevity and effectiveness are further improved by its robust build, which includes a thicker barrel. Mossberg's pump-action 500 and 590 tactical variants offer excellent value for the money. Due to their reliability and longevity in service, they have found favor in the hands of law enforcement and the armed forces. The Mossberg 590 and 590A1 tactical shotguns are the most robust of the brand's variants. The 590 versions have a larger mag capacity, and the safety's location on the top of the receiver can work better with standard stocks. Among the Mossberg 500 and 590 series, the 12-gauge Mossberg 590A1 with an 18.5-inch barrel is the most popular choice, since it has been put through combat testing and is widely recognized as reliable and effective for home defense. FabArm STF-12 Pump-Action Shotgun, $1,500. For tactical and professional use, consider the FabArm STF-12, a pump-action shotgun. The Italian manufacturer FabArm has a stellar reputation for producing high-quality weapons. The shotgun's acronymic moniker, Special Task Force 12, alludes to its planned use in the armed forces, the police, and for private protection. The STF-12 has a sturdy design and construction thanks to its synthetic or polymer stock and forearm. These materials provide durability and resilience to a wide range of climates and atmospheric conditions. The shotgun's pump-action mechanism, which is activated by manually cycling the forearm, is simple and effective. This feature enhances its tactical attractiveness by allowing for fast follow-up shots and simple upkeep. The FabArm STF-12 usually comes in a 12 gauge, which is one of the most often used shotgun calibers. Shotguns have a range of barrel lengths from 14 inches to 18 inches, with the exact measurement dependent on the country of origin and the intended use. The STF-12's box mag is removable, making reloading times much shorter. Mag capacity range from 5 to 8 bullets generally. The adaptability and modularity of the FabArm STF-12 are particularly noteworthy. You may mount optics, lights, lasers, and other tactical equipment to the Picatinny or M-LOK accessory rails on the forend and receiver. Because of this, the shotgun may be used in a wider variety of operating settings. The STF-12 may come with customizable settings to meet the needs of different users. Adjustable sights, cheek rests, and telescopic or folding stocks are all examples. The shotgun may be adjusted to fit the user's hand size, shooting style, and operating requirements. Smith & Wesson M&P 12, $1,100. The Smith & Wesson M&P 12 is a high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun with a small footprint and proven reliability. It has a number of useful extras that make it more convenient to use. The S&W M&P 12 is a high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun that is small and dependable enough for professional use. The M&P 12's bullpup barrel shape is one of its advantages, since it allows for a reduced overall length without compromising barrel length. With 2 mag tubes in use, it can contain 7 bullets per mag, giving it a large capacity. The shotgun's big, ambidextrous controls and removable palm swells make it suitable for right and left-handed shooters alike. Adaptability to a variety of shooting scenarios is ensured by the presence of interchangeable Remington-style chokes. It also features an M-LOK barrel shroud and a Picatinny rail for the installation of various attachments. The S&W M&P 12 is a high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun that is small and dependable enough for professional use. The S&W M&P 12 is based on a century-old design that has been refined to perfection, the pump-action mechanism. This gun's bullpup shape and Kel-Tec KSG influences are instantly recognizable. The M&P 12 is not your standard shotgun for hunting birds or skeeters that can be slung over your shoulder and carried uphill. A tactical shotgun, to be exact. This shotgun is loaded and ready for action, excellent for home defense. It's roughly 10 inches shorter than a shotgun in its regular configuration, making it ideal for use as a bullpup platform. Also, short firearms are ideal for use in a residential setting. The bullpup design also shifts the gun's center of gravity to the back, making it more manageable with one hand. The buckshot alone adds another few pounds to the weight, so that's a nice bonus. Even if you're not a gun enthusiast, I highly recommend this shotgun. Kalashnikov Comrade, $1,250. The Kalashnikov Comrade is a one-of-a-kind firearm that was developed from the AK platform and is categorized as an SBS. Kalashnikov USA, a division of the Russian arms manufacturer Kalashnikov Concern, produces these. The Comrade is a hybrid firearm that combines the handling and functionality of an AK-style rifle with those of a shotgun. The barrel length of a standard Kalashnikov Comrade is just about 12.5 inches, making it a small weapon. It uses both 2.75 and 3-inch shotgun rounds in its 12-gauge chamber. The receiver is made of stamped steel, a feature unique to AK-style rifles and a major reason for its famed durability and dependability. Depending on the model, it also has a synthetic pistol grip and either a fixed stock or a foldable stock. The Comrade's ability to use detachable mags is a unique feature. It uses mags shaped like the AK-47, with capacity that vary from 5 to 10 rounds. This facilitates quicker reloads and the availability of spare mags for easy and rapid ammo swaps. The Comrade is a semi-auto weapon that uses a gas piston mechanism like that of the AK-47 to fire a single bullet with each trigger pull. This technology helps the handgun perform reliably and in a wide range of environments. Those who are already familiar with the AK platform will find the controls, including as the safety selector and charging handle, to be immediately recognizable and comfortable. The Kalashnikov Comrade is a hybrid weapon that combines the ruggedness of the AK platform with the adaptability of a shotgun. Its small size and powerful shotgun capabilities make it ideal for close quarters uses like home defense and tactical scenarios. Chiappa C612, $350. The Chiappa C612 pump-action shotgun is widely considered to be among the most effective tactical shotguns for personal protection. Because of how it's made, it can be counted on to provide reliable and lasting protection. The synthetic stock and forearm protect the weapon from the elements and give the shooter a secure grip. The C612 has a large capacity for stopping power since it is chambered for 12-gauge ammunition. It has a tubular mag that can contain up to 5 bullets, so you can fire off a barrage of shots without stopping to reload. This ability is especially useful for home defense purposes, as rapid reloading may be required. The shotgun's chrome-lined barrel is 18.5 inches long, providing a happy medium between portability and accuracy. The chrome lining not only protects the barrel from corrosion, but also makes it last longer. This is essential for extending the shotgun's useful life and preserving its accuracy. Shot pattern and distance customization are both possible with the C612, since it is compatible with normal Remington chokes. In addition, it features a cylinder bore choke, which means the barrel is not confined in any way, resulting in a broad dispersion of fire. For fights taking place in tight confines, this improves accuracy and effectiveness. The C612's similarity to the Remington 870 is a noticeable characteristic for many shooters. Shotgunners will find the Remington 870-like layout of the shotgun's bolt release and cross-bolt safety familiar and helpful. The shooter's confidence and reflexes benefit from this familiarity, especially in high-stakes circumstances. Mossberg Maverick 88, $170. If you need a shotgun for home defense but don't want to break the bank doing it, consider the Mossberg Maverick 88. It has many of the same qualities as the Mossberg 500, another well-respected shotgun but at a far more affordable price. When compared to the Mossberg 500, which it mimics in form and function, the Maverick 88 is very similar. This shotgun is a pump-action model available in many gauges, from 12 to 20. Because of its low price and high efficiency, the Maverick 88 is a great option for those on a limited budget. The sturdy build helps keep the Maverick 88's price down. It's cheaper than the Mossberg 500 since it's made with cheaper materials and uses cheaper production methods. The Maverick 88 still has some of the key elements that make it reliable, despite being cheaper. Several important Mossberg 500 characteristics are carried over to the Maverick 88. There are dependable shell extractors called dual extractors, action bars called twin action bars, and an anti-jam elevator that keeps food from becoming stuck. These additions strengthen the shotgun's dependability, guaranteeing reliable operation whenever it's needed for self-defense.
And I probably put around 3,500 rounds through it, birdshot, buckshot, slugs, you name it, and I never had any issues.
The Maverick 88 has everything you need in a home defense shotgun, but some people may want to add their own touches to it. The Maverick 88 has the benefit of being compatible with most of the parts and accessories made for the Mossberg 500. This means there is a plethora of aftermarket solutions for the Mossberg 500 that Maverick 88 owners may tap into to improve and personalize their firearm. The Maverick 88 may be easily customized to the shooter's liking by swapping out the stock, installing a rail system for attachments, or replacing the sights.
The Mossberg Maverick 88 is basically a pared-down version of the Model 500.
Mossberg 930 Tactical 8-Shot SPX, $1,100. Those who are interested in purchasing a reliable semi-auto shotgun will discover that the 930 SPX is a fantastic option to consider. One of its standout features is its dependable gas system, which ensures smooth operation and reduces recoil. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a semi-auto shotgun. A notable aspect of the 930 SPX is its ability to handle low-powered ammunition without experiencing cycling issues. Even when loaded with low-brass birdshot, the shotgun performs admirably, providing consistent and reliable cycling. This versatility allows shooters to use a variety of ammunition types depending on their specific needs. One appealing aspect of the 930 SPX is its price point. While it may be more expensive than pump-action shotguns, it costs significantly less than other models such as Benelli's semi-automatic shotguns. This makes it a more affordable option for those looking for a reliable and high-performance semi-automatic shotgun. In terms of design and features, The 930 SPX shares similarities with the 500 models. It features a tang safety positioned on the top of the shotgun, allowing for easy and convenient access. Additionally, it is equipped with a sizable charging handle on the side, designed to provide a firm grip and facilitate smooth operation. The shotgun comes with ghost ring rear sights and a fiber optic front sight, which are both excellent options for aiming and acquiring targets. However, some users may prefer to mount a red dot sight on the rail for enhanced accuracy and rapid target acquisition. The front sight on the 930 SPX is at the same height as that of an AR-15, allowing users to utilize AR-15 optics in combination with the shotgun. Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun, $1,300. The Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun is a highly acclaimed semi-auto firearm that is ideal for personal protection. It uses Benelli's inertia-driven operating system, which is known for its speed, smoothness, and cleanliness. This method cycles the action using the energy released by fired rounds, which ensures consistent performance with minimal felt recoil. The inertia-driven system also has low servicing needs, making the M2 simple to keep clean. The Benelli M2 is notable for its superior ergonomics and fit. The shotgun was meticulously crafted to feel perfectly at home in the hands of the shooter. Targets can be acquired rapidly and precisely thanks to the stock and grip's ergonomic design. These ergonomic features make the M2 more comfortable to shoot and easier to use. The Benelli M2's premium price tag is understandable, given the quality of its construction and its superior performance compared to cheaper alternatives. This shotgun is a work of art, created with care and accuracy. The firearm's high-quality construction is apparent in every facet, from its silky action to the rugged materials it's made of. The end effect is a well-oiled machine that inspires faith in the shooter. The Benelli M2 has a solid reputation for dependability because of how well it performs no matter the environment. This dependability is essential for a pistol used for personal protection in the house. The M2 is built to last in extreme conditions and reliably feed many types of ammo. If you're looking for the best shotgun for home defense, go no further than the Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun.
Here in the Dakotas. I'll admit I'm not exactly the type who goes easy on gear.
Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun, $2,150. The Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun is a top pick if you need a reliable firearm that can be used in a wide variety of scenarios. The Benelli auto-regulating gas-operated technology makes this shotgun reliable enough for use by the U.S. Marine Corps. The short-stroke dual-piston design used in this system guarantees high dependability and reduces maintenance frequency. The M4 is designed to be maintained clean for extended periods of use. Featuring a chrome-lined barrel and ghost ring sights, the Benelli M4 is a genuine powerhouse. The chrome coating makes it more durable and resistant to corrosion, and the ghost ring sights help you zero in on your target quickly and accurately. When time is of the essence and precision is required, the added features shine. The M4's enlarged mag tube, which can store up to 7+1 bullets, is a standout feature. With such a large mag, you'll have more than enough ammunition to handle any situation. The Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun is an excellent investment whether you're a law enforcement official, a military veteran, or a homeowner who places a high value on personal safety. When it comes to dependability and efficacy, the M4 is the weapon of choice for experts. Those who value quality above all else will find a lot to like in its sturdy build, state-of-the-art gas-operated system, and well-engineered features. The Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun is an excellent choice for self-defense or home defense, whether you're in a high-pressure tactical situation or just looking for a reliable weapon. Remington 870, $500. The shotguns in the Remington 870 series are highly valued, and they come in a range of tactical variants that are suitable for use in protecting one's house. The Remington 870 Express Synthetic Tactical, priced at $369.99 at PSA, is a top pick among these selections. It's been debated for years as to whether or not it's better than the Mossberg 500. The Remington 870's steel receiver is a major plus for its longevity. This quality contributes to its overall toughness and durability under extreme conditions. Keep in mind that each shotgun has advantages and disadvantages, and that your individual preferences will play a major part in your final pick. The crossbolt safety on the Remington 870 is positioned inconveniently behind the trigger. Shotguns with simply a stock or just a stock and pistol grip could not benefit from this placement. For home defense applications in general, the Remington 870 has shown to be dependable and efficient. FN P12, $500. Due to its high quality and extensive features, the FN P12 is widely regarded as one of the best tactical shotguns for home defense. FN is best recognized for its military-grade rifles, and the P12 offers that same level of quality and performance to the home defense market. The FN P12 looks as sleek and sophisticated as a high-end sports vehicle thanks to its design.
The FN P12 is built for reliability and longevity.
Its popularity and potency come from the fact that it is designed to fire 12-gauge ammunition. This caliber has excellent stopping power, making it a great choice for personal defense. There is a maximum of 5 rounds that may be carried in the shotgun's extended mag. This provides for a greater capacity of ammo, eliminating the need to reload often during crucial periods. The P12 also allows for flexibility in ammunition choices due to its ability to fire either 2 3/4 or 3-inch projectiles.
But perhaps the most notable aspect of the shotgun is the cantilever scope mount.
Chrome linings may be found in the FN P12's chamber and bore. This chrome lining improves the shotgun's long-term reliability, resistance to corrosion, and simplicity of cleaning. It also helps the gun last longer, so it's a safe bet if you want to use it for personal protection at home.
Ensure its corrosion resistance.
FN has equipped the P12 with a fiber optic front sight, as well as a flip-up rear sight, and the receiver is prepared for the installation of an optic. This system is ideal for home defense situations because of the speed with which it can acquire a target and the increased accuracy it provides under a wide range of illumination conditions.
The chrome-lined barrel, bolt, and receiver improve the life expectancy of this gun, as well as
Berettas Silver Pigeon, $2,350. Shotguns typically have a single barrel, but the Berettas Silver Pigeon sticks out from the rest with its distinctive over-under design. The potential applications of this novel layout for domestic security are intriguing. The twin barrel of the Beretta allows for rapid shooting of 2 bullets without the need to wait for the semi-auto cycle. The ability to discharge more quickly than with a pump or lever action shotgun is crucial for self-defense situations. Although the Beretta Silver Pigeon is an excellent shotgun, it comes with a hefty price tag that rivals that of the revered Benelli M4. Another potential limitation on its utility as a home defense weapon is that it is not presently offered in 12-gauge. Despite these limitations, the Beretta Silver Pigeon is a viable option for those seeking a shotgun that can be used for both pest management and small game. Its over-under construction offers it a distinctive appearance and feel that will get you noticed on the range or in the field. Weatherby SA-08, $700. The Weatherby SA-08 shotgun is an excellent choice for home defense because of its price and adaptability. This powerful shotgun can fire both 2 3/4 and 3-inch rounds with ease thanks to its inbuilt dual regulating valve system.
Without firing the gun, you need to hit.
This shotgun is ideal for people who wish to use it for more than simply home defense due to its 10-inch longer barrel and less recoil, but it lacks the maneuverability of a shorter shotgun. The SA-08 has a 4+1 mag and is competent for self-defense, but excels in more traditional shotgun uses, such as trap shooting, sporting clays, and waterfowl hunting. Its milder recoil makes it a good choice for novice shooters or those who have trouble handling the recoil of heavier shotguns. The Weatherby SA-08 is a shotgun you shouldn't neglect whether you're looking to protect your house from intruders or shoot clay pigeons.
In order for the bolt to stop back,
Stoeger M3000 Freedom Series, $700. The Stoeger M3000 Freedom Series is an excellent choice for a home defense shotgun, but it is often neglected. The superior performance of this auto-loading shotgun needs to be more recognized. There are a variety of lengths and combinations available to meet your needs. The Freedom Series is optimized for self-defense thanks to its 18.5-inch barrel and 5-round capacity. Stoeger shotguns are unique due to their inertia-driven mechanism. The inertia-driven technology eliminates the need for gas cycling, making the shotgun both cleaner and more reliable than its gas-operated counterpart. The M3000's revolving bolt ensures it will function perfectly under pressure. Despite the fact that the Freedom Series has a fixed cylinder choke, it performs admirably in its intended role of providing excellent home defense. The Stoeger M3000 is an excellent choice if you've got your eye on the illustrious Benelli M4 but can't quite afford it. FNP12 $500. The FNP12 is widely considered one of the best tactical shotguns for home defense due to its exceptional quality and features. Manufactured by FN, a renowned company known for producing military firearms, the P12 brings the reliability and performance of their military-grade weapons to the realm of home defense. In terms of design, the FNP12 boasts a sleek and stylish appearance reminiscent of a sports car. However, its true strength lies in its raw power, as it is chambered for the popular and powerful 12-gauge ammunition. This caliber provides significant stopping power, making it ideal for self-defense purposes. The shotgun features an extended mag capacity, holding up to 5 rounds. This allows for a higher ammunition capacity, reducing the need for frequent reloading during critical moments. Additionally, the P12 is compatible with both 2 3/4 and 3-inch shells, providing versatility in ammunition selection. The FNP12 incorporates chrome lining in both the chamber and bore. This chrome lining enhances durability, corrosion resistance, and ease of cleaning, ensuring the shotgun maintains its optimal performance over time. It also contributes to the longevity of the firearm, making it a reliable choice for home defense. While the receiver of the P12 is ready for the attachment of an optic, FN has included a fiber optic front sight and a flip-up rear sight as standard features. This setup allows for quick target acquisition and enhanced accuracy in various lighting conditions, making it well-suited for home defense scenarios. Chiappa C612, $350. The Chiappa C612 is a pump-action shotgun that has gained recognition as one of the best tactical shotguns for home defense. Its design and construction make it a reliable and durable option for self-defense purposes. The synthetic stock and forearm provide resilience against harsh weather conditions and ensure a comfortable grip for the shooter. Chambered for 12-gauge shells, the C612 is capable of delivering significant stopping power. With its tubular mag, it can hold up to 5 rounds, allowing for multiple shots without the need for frequent reloading. This capacity is especially beneficial in home defense situations, where quick follow-up shots may be necessary. The shotgun features an 18.5-inch chrome-lined barrel, which offers a good balance between maneuverability and accuracy. The chrome lining not only enhances the barrel's longevity, but also provides resistance against corrosion. This is crucial for maintaining the shotgun's performance and reliability over time. The C612 is compatible with standard Remington chokes, offering versatility in terms of shot pattern and range. Additionally, it comes with a cylinder bore choke, meaning the barrel has an unrestricted design that produces a wide shot spread. This is advantageous for close quarters encounters, increasing the chances of hitting the target effectively. One notable feature of the C612 is its familiarity to shooters who are accustomed to the Remington 870. The placement of the bolt release and cross-bolt safety mirrors that of the Remington 870, enabling shooters to quickly adapt to and operate the shotgun with ease. This familiarity enhances the shooter's confidence and reaction time during high-pressure situations. Number 13. FabArm STF-12 Pump-Action Shotgun, $1,500. The FabArm STF-12 is a pump-action shotgun designed for tactical and professional use. Manufactured by FabArm, an esteemed Italian firearms company, it is well regarded for its quality and reliability. The shotgun's name, STF-12, stands for Special Task Force 12, indicating its intended purpose in military, law enforcement, and self-defense applications. In terms of design and build, the STF-12 features a durable construction with a synthetic or polymer stock and forearm. These materials ensure strength and resistance to various environmental conditions. The pump-action system of the shotgun allows for manual cycling of the forearm, providing reliable operation and simplicity. This action enables quick follow-up shots and facilitates easy maintenance, contributing to its appeal in tactical scenarios. The FabArm STF-12 is typically chambered in 12-gauge, one of the most common shotgun calibers worldwide. The shotgun is often available with various barrel lengths, typically ranging from 14 to 18 inches, depending on legal requirements and the intended purpose. With a detachable box mag, the STF-12 allows for swift and efficient reloading. Mag capacities can vary, typically ranging from 5 to 8 rounds. One notable aspect of the FabArm STF-12 is its modularity and accessory compatibility. It is often equipped with Picatinny or M-LOK accessory rails on the forend and receiver, allowing users to attach optics, lights, lasers, and other tactical accessories as needed. This enhances the shotgun's versatility and adaptability in different operational scenarios. The STF-12 may offer adjustable features to accommodate individual preferences and requirements. These can include telescoping or folding stocks, adjustable cheek rests, and adjustable sights. Such flexibility allows users to tailor the shotgun to their specific shooting positions and operational needs. Smith & Wesson M&P 12, $1,100. The Smith & Wesson M&P 12 is a compact, reliable, and high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun that offers professional-grade performance. It comes with several notable features that enhance its functionality and usability. The S&W M&P 12 offers professional-grade performance in a compact, reliable, and high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun. Some of the pros of the M&P 12 include its bullpup barrel design, allowing for a shorter overall length without sacrificing barrel length. It has a high capacity with the ability to hold up to 7 rounds per mag using 2 mag tubes simultaneously. The shotgun also features interchangeable palm swells and large ambidextrous controls, making it comfortable and accessible for different users. The inclusion of interchangeable Remington pattern chokes provides versatility for different shooting needs. Additionally, it has a Picatinny rail and an M-LOK barrel shroud, allowing for easy attachment of accessories. The S&W M&P 12 offers professional-grade performance in a compact, reliable, and high-capacity bullpup pump-action shotgun. The S&W M&P 12 uses the traditional pump-action design that's been perfected for over 100 years now. Meshed with a bullpup style, the M&P 12 gives off a Kel-Tec KSG vibe with clear design cues taken from the KSG. The M&P 12 isn't your typical bird hunting, skeet shooting, hunting shotgun designed to be tossed over your shoulder and humped uphill. Instead, it's a tactical shotgun. This shotgun stands ready for defensive use, especially inside the home. As a bullpup platform, it's plenty short, about 10 inches shorter than your standard configuration shotgun, and short guns work well inside the confines of a home. Additionally, the bullpup puts the weight rearward, which makes the gun easier to use with a single hand. That's pretty handy, seeing as this thing weighs close to 10 pounds fully loaded with buckshot. All in all, it's an excellent shotgun for those who might not traditionally like shotguns. Kalashnikov Comrade, $1,250. The Kalashnikov Comrade is a unique firearm that is based on the AK platform and is classified as a short-barreled shotgun. It is manufactured by Kalashnikov USA, an American subsidiary of the Russian firearms company, Kalashnikov Concern. The Comrade is designed to provide users with the familiar operating system of an AK-style rifle combined with the power and versatility of a shotgun. The Kalashnikov Comrade features a compact design with a short barrel, typically measuring around 12.5 inches. It is chambered in 12-gauge and accepts 2.75-inch and 3-inch shotgun shells. The firearm is built on a stamped steel receiver, which is a hallmark of AK-style rifles, known for their durability and reliability. It also features a synthetic pistol grip and a fixed stock or a folding stock, depending on the specific model. One of the notable aspects of the Comrade is its ability to accept detachable mags. It utilizes AK-style mags, typically with capacities ranging from 5 to 10 rounds, depending on local laws and regulations. This allows for faster reloads and the ability to carry spare mags for quick and convenient ammunition changes. The Comrade is a semi-auto firearm, meaning that it fires one round with each pull of the trigger, and it operates on a gas piston system similar to AK rifles. This system contributes to the firearm's reliability and ability to function in various conditions. The controls, including the safety selector and charging handle, are also reminiscent of AK-style rifles, providing familiarity to those already accustomed to the AK platform. The Kalashnikov Comrade offers a unique combination of the AK's platform's reliability and the versatility of a shotgun. It is designed for close-quarters applications, such as home defense or tactical situations where its compact size and powerful shotgun capabilities can be advantageous. Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical models, $650. The Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical models are highly regarded pump-action shotguns that have gained popularity among law enforcement agencies and the U.S. Armed Forces. These shotguns are known for their affordability, reliability, and durability, making them a top choice for various applications, including home defense. Mossberg's tactical shotguns are specifically designed to withstand rigorous use and provide consistent performance. They are built to be durable, ensuring they can handle demanding situations without compromising functionality. The Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical series are no exception and offer a reliable option for those seeking a dependable shotgun. When comparing the Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical models, there are a few notable differences. The 590 and 590A1 models are better suited for heavy-duty use due to their thicker barrels. This construction feature makes them less likely to bend or dent, providing added durability. Additionally, the 590 models typically offer a one-round capacity advantage over similar 500 models, giving users more ammunition before reloading. One distinctive feature of Mossberg's tactical shotguns, including the 500 and 590 models, is the placement of the safety. The safety is located on top of the receiver, which is advantageous for traditional stock configurations. However, when using a pistol grip, it can be somewhat awkward to access and operate the safety. This is an important consideration for those who prefer a pistol grip setup. Among the Mossberg 500 and 590 models, the 12-gauge Mossberg 590A1 with an 18.5-inch barrel stands out as a recommended choice. The Mossberg 590A1 has been tested in combat situations and has proven to be reliable and effective. This makes it an excellent option for home defense purposes, where reliability is paramount. Its heavy-duty construction, including the thicker barrel, further enhances its durability and performance. The Mossberg 500 and 590 tactical models are affordable and reliable pump-action shotguns. They have been favored by law enforcement agencies and the military due to their durability and consistent performance. While all Mossberg tactical shotguns are reliable, the 590 and 590A1 models are better suited for heavy-duty use. The 590 models offer a higher round capacity, and the placement of the safety on top of the receiver may be more favorable for traditional stock configurations. However, the top pick among the Mossberg 500 and 590 series is often the 12-gauge Mossberg 590A1 with an 18.5-inch barrel, which has undergone combat testing and is highly regarded for its reliability and effectiveness in home defense scenarios. Mossberg Maverick 88, $200. The Mossberg Maverick 88 is a shotgun that offers a reliable and affordable option for those in search of a home defense firearm. It shares many features with the Mossberg 500, a highly regarded shotgun, but comes at a significantly lower price point. The Maverick 88 closely resembles the Mossberg 500 in terms of its overall design and functionality. It is a pump-action shotgun chambered in various gauges, including 12 and 20 gauge. The Maverick 88 is known for its simplicity and effectiveness, making it an excellent choice for homeowners on a tight budget. One of the reasons behind the Maverick 88's affordability is its construction. It is built with cost-effective materials and manufacturing processes, allowing Mossberg to offer it at a lower price compared to the Mossberg 500. Despite the lower cost, the Maverick 88 still incorporates important features that contribute to its reliability. The Maverick 88 retains several key features found in the Mossberg 500. These include dual extractors, which ensure reliable shell extraction, twin action bars that provide smooth and reliable action, and an anti-jam elevator, which prevents feeding issues. These features contribute to the overall reliability of the shotgun, ensuring it performs consistently when needed for home defense purposes. While the Maverick 88 provides all the essential features one would expect from a home defense shotgun, some users may opt for additional upgrades or customization. The advantage of choosing the Maverick 88 is that it is compatible with the majority of Mossberg 500 accessories and parts. This means that owners can easily enhance and customize their Maverick 88 by utilizing the wide range of aftermarket options available for the Mossberg 500. Whether it's adding a different stock, a rail system for accessories, or upgrading the sights, there are numerous possibilities for personalizing the Maverick 88 to suit individual preferences and needs. Mossberg 930 Tactical 8-Shot SPX, $1,100. The 930 SPX is a great option for those looking for a reliable semi-auto shotgun. The gas system of the 930 SPX cycles very reliably, making it a great option for those who prefer semi-auto shotguns. While low-powered ammo may cause cycling issues, the 930 SPX handles low-brass birdshot surprisingly well. Compared to pump-action shotguns, the price of the 930 SPX is higher, but it is still very affordable compared to competitors like Benelli shotguns. Like the 500 models, the 930 SPX has a top-mounted Tang safety. Its side-mounted charging handle is knurled and well-sized for easy handling. The Ghost Ring rear sight and fiber optic front sight are great, but the available rail space also allows you to fit a red dot sight if you prefer. The front sight is AR-15 height, which allows for co-witnessing with optics that you may already own for an AR-15. Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun, $1,300. The Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun is widely regarded as a top-of-the-line semi-auto shotgun that excels in the realm of home defense. It incorporates Benelli's renowned inertia-driven operating system, which delivers fast, smooth, and clean operation. This system utilizes the energy from fired shells to cycle the action, resulting in reliable performance and reduced recoil. Additionally, the inertia-driven system requires minimal maintenance, making the M2 easy to clean and maintain. One of the standout features of the Benelli M2 is its exceptional ergonomics and fit. The shotgun is designed with attention to detail, ensuring a comfortable and natural feel for the shooter. The stock and grip are well formed and allow for a secure hold, facilitating quick and accurate target acquisition. These ergonomic qualities contribute to the overall shooting pleasure and ease of handling the M2. While the price of the Benelli M2 may be higher compared to some of its competitors, its craftsmanship and performance justify the investment. The shotgun is meticulously crafted with precision and attention to detail. The quality of the build is evident in every aspect of the firearm, from the smooth action to the durable materials used. The result is a finely tuned machine that instills confidence in the shooter. The Benelli M2 has gained a reputation for its reliability as it is engineered to function flawlessly under various conditions. This reliability is crucial for a home defense firearm, where dependability is of utmost importance. Whether it's feeding a variety of ammunition types or enduring harsh environments, the M2 is designed to perform consistently. Overall, the Benelli M2 Tactical Shotgun is an excellent choice for those seeking the best in their home defense shotgun. Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun, $2,150. If you're in search of a shotgun that can handle any situation with ease, the Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun is a standout option. Trusted by the U.S. Marine Corps, this shotgun is equipped with the innovative Benelli auto-regulating gas-operated system. This system utilizes a short-stroke dual-piston design, ensuring superior reliability and minimizing the need for frequent cleaning. With the M4, you can expect a gun that stays cleaner for longer periods of shooting. The Benelli M4 is a true powerhouse, featuring a chrome-lined barrel and ghost ring sights. The chrome lining enhances durability and corrosion resistance, while the ghost ring sights enable quick and precise target acquisition. These features are particularly beneficial in high-pressure situations where speed and accuracy are crucial. One notable attribute of the M4 is its extended mag tube, which can hold up to 7+1 rounds. This generous capacity provides you with ample firepower, instilling confidence and readiness in any scenario. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, a military veteran, or a homeowner prioritizing family protection, the Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun offers unmatched performance. The M4 is a weapon designed to meet the demands of professionals who require the highest level of reliability and effectiveness. Its robust construction, cutting-edge gas-operated system, and well-engineered features make it a top choice for those who refuse to compromise on quality. Whether you're facing tactical situations or seeking a reliable home defense firearm, the Benelli M4 Tactical Shotgun delivers exceptional performance and is worthy of consideration. Remington 870, $500. The Remington 870 series of shotguns is highly regarded and offers a variety of tactical models that are well suited for home defense. Among these options, the Remington 870 Express Synthetic Tactical stands out as a popular choice, with a starting price of just $369.99 at PSA. It is often compared to the Mossberg 500, sparking a long-standing debate about which shotgun is superior. In terms of durability, the Remington 870 earns points for its steel receiver. The This feature enhances its overall ruggedness and ability to withstand the rigors of heavy use. However, it's important to note that both shotguns have their own strengths and weaknesses, and personal preference also plays a significant role in the decision-making process. One drawback of the Remington 870 is the placement of its crossbolt safety, which is located behind the trigger. This positioning may not be ideal for shotguns equipped only with a stock or a stock and pistol grip. Overall, Remington 870 has proven themselves reliable and effective for home defense purposes. Kel-Tec KSG, $800. Looking for a unique and unconventional shotgun for home defense? The Kel-Tec KSG is a pump-action shotgun that offers a range of distinctive features. Its bullpup design places the action behind the trigger, resulting in a compact overall length of just 26.1 inches. This makes the KSG highly maneuverable and well-suited for home defense scenarios. One standout feature of the KSG is its dual mag tubes, which have a combined capacity of 14+1 rounds. This allows you to manually switch between tubes, giving you the flexibility to use different types of ammunition in each one. This versatility can be advantageous in adapting to various tactical situations. It's worth noting that Kel-Tec has a reputation for producing firearms at a lower budget range, which has led to questions about their overall quality. However, with the KSG, it is evident that Kel-Tec has put extra effort into designing and manufacturing the shotgun to a higher standard. While it may have some drawbacks, compared to more established brands, the KSG offers reliability and a unique set of features that may appeal to those seeking something different. If you're looking for a shotgun that stands out from the crowd while still maintaining reliability, the Kel-Tec KSG could be the perfect choice for you. Its bullpup design, dual mag tubes, and maneuverability make it a compelling option for home defense. Berettas Silver Pigeon, $2,350. The Beretta Silver Pigeon is a shotgun that stands out from the crowd with its unique over-under design, featuring double barrels stacked one on top of the other. This unconventional design has some interesting implications for home defense that are worth exploring. One key advantage of the Beretta's double barrel setup is the ability to fire off 2 shots in quick succession without worrying about the cycling time of a semi-auto. This gives you a faster rate of fire than pump or lever action shotguns, which can be crucial in a home defense scenario. While the Beretta Silver Pigeon is a high-quality shotgun, it does come with a relatively steep price tag that puts it in the same range as the prestigious Benelli M4. Additionally, it's not currently available in 12-gauge, which may limit its versatility as a home defense weapon. Despite these drawbacks, the Beretta Silver Pigeon could be a great choice for those who are looking for a shotgun that can double as a pest control or small game firearm. Its over-under design gives it a unique look and feel that's sure to turn heads at the range or in the field. Weatherby SA-08, $700. Prepare to embrace the versatility and affordability of the Weatherby SA-08 shotgun, a formidable option for home defense. This shotgun packs a punch with its dual regulating inline valve system, allowing it to handle both 2 3/4 and 3-inch shells with ease. While it may not have the same maneuverability as a shorter shotgun, its 10-inch longer barrel and softer recoil make it a great choice for those who want to use it for more than just home defense. With a capacity of 4+1, the SA-08 is designed to perform adequately in defensive situations, but it truly shines in other common shotgun applications like trap shooting, sporting clays, and waterfowl hunting. And with its softer recoil, it's also a great option for younger or elderly shooters who want to enjoy the sport of shooting without the harsh recoil of other shotguns. So, whether you're defending your home or taking aim at some clay pigeons, the Weatherby SA-08 is a shotgun you won't want to overlook. Stoeger M3000 Freedom Series, $700. When it comes to finding the best shotgun for home defense, one option that often gets overlooked is the Stoeger M3000 Freedom Series. This auto-loader shotgun deserves more recognition for its outstanding performance. It offers different lengths and configurations to suit your specific needs, and the Freedom Series is specifically designed for defense with its 18.5-inch barrel length and 5-round capacity. What sets Stoeger shotguns apart is their inertia-driven operating system. Unlike gas-operated shotguns, the inertia-driven system keeps the shotgun cleaner and enhances its overall reliability, thanks to the absence of gas cycling. Combined with a rotating bolt, you can count on the M3000 to perform flawlessly when it matters most. While the Freedom series comes with a fixed cylinder choke, it excels at its intended purpose, delivering top-notch home defense capabilities. If you've had your eye on the prestigious Benelli M4 but find it difficult to justify the cost, the Stoeger M3000 is a worthy alternative. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.